Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh Edition. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini Black. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Santorini Black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a large amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Perlino Windsor Leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Moving to your infotainment system, you can see this vehicle has a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connection, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which allows you to use either Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have your 4x4 information, terrain response, drive modes, ride height, and of course your weight sensing. All these features make this vehicle ideal for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on. You also have a 360 view camera with an off-road feature as well, helping you on those off-road days, along with your on-road, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have heated seats. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh Edition that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.